How to fix Creative Cloud unable to reach Adobe Servers. First, check your internet connection. Open a browser and visit the Adobe website to make sure your connection is working properly. Next, check your computer's date and time. Make sure the time, date, and time zone are set correctly, because incorrect settings can cause Adobe connection errors. Now, check your Windows firewall. Search for Windows Defender Firewall, open it up, and make sure Adobe Creative Cloud is allowed to access the internet. If you're using a VPN, proxy, or third-party antivirus, temporarily disable it and try connecting to Creative Cloud again. If the problem continues, your host's file may be blocking Adobe servers. Finally, if none of these solutions work, use the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool to remove corrupted Creative Cloud files and perform a clean installation. Restart your computer, reinstall Creative Cloud, and try signing in again. And that's how to fix the Creative Cloud unable to reach Adobe servers error. For more Adobe and software troubleshooting tutorials, like this video and subscribe for more.